Welcome back to AndroIndian. Let's explore the remaining principles of modern project management. In our previous session, we covered the importance of a holistic view, the delivery of value, and the focus on quality. Now let's dive deeper. Today, we continue our journey with 3 more pillars that define excellence in the modern project landscape. Principle 4 is accountable leadership. Leadership isn't just a title, it's a commitment to the team and the outcome. Leadership is about accountability, integrity, and ownership of outcomes, especially when facing complex challenges. Great leaders are transparent, they make tough decisions and take responsibility without shifting blame when things go wrong. Accountable leadership also means empowering others to lead within their own scope of work, fostering a culture of trust. When a leader is accountable, it builds a foundation of trust that enables the team to innovate and take calculated risks. This principle also encompasses ethical behavior and strong governance, ensuring the project aligns with organizational values. Ultimately, leadership is the bridge between project goals and human potential. Now, let's look at sustainability. Principle 5 is sustainability. In the modern world, project success is no longer measured solely by time and budget. Projects must consider the triple bottom line: environmental, social, and economic sustainability. Modern project management incorporates ESG, environmental, social, and governance criteria into every phase of the life cycle. Social sustainability focuses on the impact of the project on people, from the immediate team to the broader community. Economically, we aim for long-term viability and value engineering, ensuring resources are used efficiently without waste. By planning for sustainability, we ensure that our projects contribute positively to the future rather than depleting it. Sustainability is about being a responsible steward of the resources entrusted to us. And that leads us to our final principle. Principle 6 is adaptability and resilience. In a VUCA world, volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous, flexibility is key. Adaptability is the ability to respond to changing conditions and new information without losing sight of the goal. Resilience is the capacity to absorb impacts and recover quickly from setbacks or failures. It's about bouncing back stronger. This principle encourages an agile mindset, where we value learning and iteration over rigid adherence to an outdated plan. By building resilience into our systems and teams, we create projects that can withstand the tests of a dynamic environment. Think of how digital infrastructure in India has adapted to rapid scale. That's resilience and adaptability in action. So we have the 6 core principles: holistic view, value, quality, accountable leadership, sustainability, and adaptability. Together, these principles form a powerful framework for strategic alignment and professional excellence in project management. Apply these principles to lead with purpose. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Stay curious.